Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python script to keep your laptop awake. So there are certain situations where you have to keep your laptop awake and not go into the sleep mode. So you can use this script and try to keep your laptop awake. So let's get started. So I'll require three modules, that is pyautogui, then time and the random module. So let's import them. That is pyautogui. The next is the time. Then we have to import the random. So these are the three modules I'll be using. Time is for sleeping for 60 seconds, and random is used to generate the random cursor values. So let's try to get the, that is, maximum x and y length of your screen. So assume this is your screen and you have to get the maximum from 0 to x, and this is the y axis. So let's get, that is, from 0 to the maximum length, that is x comma y. So let's take two variables and let's try to get the screen size, that is pi auto gy dot size will give us the x and y values. So now what we do is we'll be using the while loop infinitely to run the program infinitely, that is keep the laptop awake. So let's use while and let's use the true. And now what we do is we have to move the cursor to x1 and y1. So let's take another two variables, that is x1, and try to generate a random integer from 0 to the x maximum, that is this is a 0 x value, and this is the maximum x value, and this is the y axis 0, and this is the maximum axis of y. So let's try to generate a, that is random value of x. So let's take random.randint. So we'll be generating a random integer from 0 to the x, that is the maximum. So now once we are done getting the random x1 value, so let's take y1 and let's try to again generate a random integer and try to get the value of, that is random value of y, that is from 0 to the y. So we'll be getting the axis, that is x1 and y1. So what we'll do is we will try to move it, that is the cursor. For example, let's take cursor will be here and you have to move it to here. So any random value we have to, that is a program picks. So let's try to use pyautogui again and let's try to move the mouse. So move to, that is x1 and y1. So these are the random values I am using my cursor to move. And now, so what I'll do is I'll try to get the values of the click values, that is you have to as well, that is you have to click in order to make your laptop awake. Just the movement is not enough. So what I do is I have to use again the pyautogui and I have to click. The click values are integer. So what we do is we try to get the values of here, that is we will try to divide the x axis by 2 and convert it into the integer, that is x divided by 2 will give us the half of the x value, and we have to subtract the y with the 30 or 40. So let's take y, and this is the maximum value of y, that is this, and we have to subtract it with some value. So let's take 40. So we are trying to move the cursor to here and try to click it. So once we are done clicking, so that means our laptop is awake. So let's try to sleep for some time, that is time.sleep. Let's give 60 seconds. So we are trying to move a cursor from the given point to a random value, that is using this, and we are trying to move the cursor to here, that is in the tab section, that is a taskbar, and we are trying to click it using this code, and we'll try to sleep it. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. Executing it. So you can see wherever I move the cursor, so it will be pointing to over here in the taskbar. So let me move over here. So let me close this first, and let's modify something that is in the 6 seconds. So let me execute this for the 6 seconds. So you can see my cursor comes over here. If I move the mouse here, so within the 6 seconds it comes over here. Yeah, so this is a Python script to keep your that is laptop awake infinitely. Closing it. So you can remodify it to 60 seconds. So based on your Windows settings. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to keep your laptop awake. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.